Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, I am going to teach you about prime factorization. Let's see. Prime factorization is nothing but expressing a number into product of primes. Yeah, we know that prime number. What is prime number? The numbers which are having only two factors are called prime numbers. So which are having only two factors, then they are prime numbers. Okay, let's see one example for prime numbers. Yeah, suppose take 2. Yeah, what are the factors of 2? 1 comma 2. Coming to 3, what are the factors of 3? 1 comma 3. So 5 is also a prime number. 1 comma 5 are factors. And coming to 7, what are the factors? 1 comma 7, so on like this. So a number having 1 and itself, if there is no other factors, then that number is called prime number. Okay, so I think you have got the idea about prime number. So prime factorization. So factorization is nothing but splitting the terms into different numbers here. So at this particular situation, in splitting a number into product of other numbers. Okay, so prime factorization is nothing but expressing a number into product of primes. So let us understand this concept by taking one example. Right, 3645 is number is there. So let us find the factorization of 3645. So as I told you, factorization is nothing but splitting the number into product of other numbers. Okay, right. So let's see this 3675. So as we do like LCM, same follow here. Right, I'll start with 5 table. Yeah, 5 sevens 35, 1 is carry, 5 twos 10, what is the remaining? 4 remaining, 5 nines 45. Next, coming to 3 table, 3 twos are 6, 1 is remainder, 3 fours are 12, and 3 threes are 9. Again take 3 table, 3 eights are 24, 3 ones 3. So next 3 2 6, 2 is remaining, 3 sevens 21. So lack of space I am taking here. Yeah, again 3 table, 3 nines 27. Okay, and next 3 threes. Okay, so multiply all these numbers. 5 into 3 into 3, 3 again, and 3 into 3 into 3. How many threes? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, 4 threes and 5. So here I have expressed this 3645 into product of prime numbers. This 5 is also a prime number, as well as 3 is also a prime number. Okay, 5 and 3 are prime numbers. I have expressed this 3645 into product of prime. Product is nothing but multiplication. Okay, product is nothing but multiplication. So I am writing this 3645 in multiplication of 5 into 3's. Okay, this we can write 5 into 3 power 6. Okay, right, this is called prime factorization. So remember one thing, so while taking prime factorization, some children may do this kind of mistake. I have seen in lots of situations, that is why I am explaining here. 3645 is there. So while they are doing prime factorization, yeah, 5 sevens comma 1 and 5 twos comma next 4 is remaining, 5 nines 45. In the next step they will do like this, to 7 ones 2 9, 2 ones 1 9, and again they will do like this, 9 ones 1. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, this is not a LCM. So we shall generally we do this kind of procedure to find LCM of the numbers. Suppose 2 comma 4 comma 6 LCM, generally we take like this, 2 ones 2 twos 2 threes and 2 ones 1 3 and 3 1 1 ones. Okay, this is different, this is different. Okay, so here it is wrong. Okay, the prime factorization we do for only one number, only one number. LCM we do for two or more numbers. Okay, I will write once again. LCM we do for two or more numbers, and prime factorization we do for only one number. Okay, I hope you understand. So 3 6 4 5 is the answer, no? Okay, right, 3 6 4 5. So 5 sevens 1 529 729 and 3 243s 3 81s, and take 81 here, 3 27s 3 9s 3 3s. This is the right thing to do prime factorization. Okay, this is wrong. 3 6 4 5, yeah, 5 sevens 2 9 they will do like this. Okay, so next they will take 7 ones 2 9 as it is, and 2. I noticed this kind of situations, that is why I am giving this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, this is not LCM. Even though it is LCM, this is also wrong method, because here we have only one number. Okay, right, this is the right one. I hope you understand about prime factorization. Yeah, writing a number into product of primes. So this 3 6, what is the prime factorization of 3 6 4 5? 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, this we can write 5 into 3 power 6, or we can write 3 power 6 into 5 also, if you follow the order. Okay, so here 5 and 3 both are prime numbers. So here I have expressed this 3 6 4 5 into product of prime numbers. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 3 6 4 5. So let us take one more example. Right, 2400. Yeah, I'm taking here 2400. Let's start with two table first. Yeah, 2 ones 2 twos 2 zeros as it is, 2 6 2 zeros as it is, and 2 threes 2 zeros as it is, and 2 ones and 1 is remaining, 2 5s 10 0 as it is, Okay, 150 I'm taking here, it is 150. Yeah, 2 sevens 14, 1 is carry, 2 fives 10. Okay, so it will not go in 2 table. Let us take 5 table. Yeah, 5 ones 5, 2 is remaining, 5 5 is 25. Again take 5 threes. Yeah, what is the 2400 prime factorization? Yeah, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 3. Okay, if you arrange in order, 2 power 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 2 power 5 into 3 into 5 square is the prime factorization of 2400. So suppose some people may start with 5 here. Okay, this is here I start with 2 table. We can start with 3 or 5 also. Okay, even though you will get this same product. Okay, the product will not change in prime factorization. If you start with 5 or 3, no problem. Okay, don't worry about that. Even though if you start with 3 or if you start with 5, you will get the answer according to that answer is must be this is only. Let us see this same problem. I am starting with 5 table 2400. Yeah, remember what is the solution? We got 2 power 5 into 3 into 5 power 2 we got, isn't it? Right. So I'm starting with 5 table. Yeah, 5 4s are 20, 4 is remaining, 5 8s are 40, 0 as it is. And again 5 table, 5 9s are 45, 3 is remaining, 5 6s are 30. Let us take 2 table or 3 table. Okay, I will take 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, next 32, 2 16s and 2 8s and 2 4s, next 2 2s. So what it becomes? Yeah, look at here, 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what becomes? 5 square into 3 into 2 power 5. So if you arrange in order, this becomes 2 power 5 into 3 into 5 square. Yeah, is there any difference between the answers? Two answers you can see here, these two answers are same. If you start with 5 or 3 or 2, nothing is a problem. Okay, this is about prime factorization. I hope you understand. So here if you observe this 2 3 and 5, 3 are prime numbers only. Okay, right. Thank you.